friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something different. We are going to be discussing spatial reasoning skills. Now, spatial reasoning skills are normally very important for children, but unfortunately in curriculums in kindergarten and preschool it is not covered. It is very important because the child needs to learn about three-dimensional objects, the making of things and how to build them. So here is a small quiet time activity that you can use to explore this particular skill. I will be including the link for the printable that I have created in the description below. You can use Unifix cubes, you can use Mega blocks, normal Lego blocks or any kind of cubes. So for example, let me take the first one. So here I have taken one of the patterns that I have created, and as you can see there are 3 rows and 5 columns. So below each column you are going to be building that many number of cubes. For example, over here we have 1. So you'll be placing 1 over here. You can go either column wise or you can be going row wise. Now if I go column wise, I have 1 and then 0 and 0. So I will build nothing over here. Next I have 2. So you'll be taking 1 and then 2. So of course you will be making 2 blocks. 1 and then 0. So this will be it. Then you have 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2 and then 1 and then 1, 1 and the rest of the values are 0. So basically what the child is going to do is going to build the pattern according to the numbers which are there on the print. Let's look at a little more complex pattern. So over here we have a combination of 3, 2, 1s and 0s. So if I take 3 and then I have a 0 and a 1, so I can leave a little space and put 1. Then I have 2, 1 and then again a 2. Then I have a 1. This becomes your pattern. So if you check, this is a very nice way. This is the side view and the top view. So this is a very nice way of actually showing the children how are you building different structures. Now if you feel that your child is going to find this a little difficult, what you can do is you can use this as a base and actually make the blocks here. So this is the way it will look if the grid is done on the paper. Alright, now basically we need to understand that your spatial reasoning skills will connect your maths to the physical world and will help your child to read maps, understand symmetry, understand the concept of three-dimensional objects, and they really need to understand this to predict very early mathematical operations. So using such simple spatial reasoning activities, you can build on these skills for your child, because your child needs to understand the concept of navigation, exploring the environment around them, and of course building. So these simple examples of building a model such as this, symmetrical painting, practicing the concept of left and right, you create an obstacle race so a child needs to understand how much the child jumps, etc. All of these help in spatial reasoning skills. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.